What do you need to know when deciding on the right insurance agency to use? Hi, I'm Eric Stolle with Stolle Insurance. Whatever your situation is, whether you're an individual, a family, or a business, deciding on the right agency can be overwhelming. This is because there are usually numerous insurance agencies in your areas that offer what looks like similar products and a promise of great service. What this does then is makes price the only deciding factor in our decisions. This may or may not be the right decision for you based on your current situation. So what other things should we be looking at when deciding on the right insurance agency to use? The first thing I tell people to do is look at the agency's website. From there is more than sufficient information to tell you more than you need to know on making the right choice. One thing you want to look at is how many companies that agency represents. Whether it's one company or numerous companies, generally speaking, the more companies an agency represents, the more available options they'll have for you to put together a program. Another thing you want to look for is an agency's experience and credentials. Under the Agency Directory tab, you can see certain letters behind agents' names, such as CIC or CPCU. What these are insurance designations that show that the agency believes in continued education and that they're serious about their professions. The other thing you want to look at is the history or the About Us tab under the website. This will give you a good understanding of the core values of the agency, as well as their experience and how long they've been in business for. This will help the comfort of your decision. Finally, if you're still not sure on which insurance agency to use, try picking up the phone and making a few phone calls to the local agencies. From there, ask to speak to an agent. And instead of just giving your information out for a quote, try to have an open-ended conversation with that agent and see how receptive they are of your time and how willing they are to help you. From there, you'll have a better idea on if they'll do a good job for you or not. If you'd like to know more information about our agency, please check out www.stolle.com.